of that how Grignard reagent add as a hard nucleophile to the hard carbonyl group, and what is the 1,2 addition. Here I have taken both example 1,2 addition as well as 1,4 conjugate addition. Okay, so here in first example I have added methyl magnesium bromide in presence of solvent is we have to add solvent. So only Grignard reagent we are going to treat with this alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. This is cyclic component. Okay, cyclic example we have taken, and now here you can see here the methyl magnesium bromide that adds across carbonyl group to get allylic alcohols. Okay, alcohol present next carbon atom to the carbon carbon double bond. So this is allylic alcohol, and we got product adds a 43% yield. Okay, and another is different product. This is another different product. This is also we got these another. So we are not going to concern currently to this product, so just pay attention on this 1,2 addition to the carbonyl group. And next example I have taken the addition of Grignard, same Grignard, same starting material. Okay, so we kept constant starting material, we kept constant solvent system, and we kept constant reagent also. Okay, only what we have changed that we have added copper chloride salt in as one equivalent we have added, and what it differs, how that one has changed the scene of reaction, the total play he has changed only small amount of copper first catalyst. He has changed everything in this reaction. He has changed from addition from 1,2 addition to direct to conjugate 1,4 addition. So here you can see magnesium methyl group is getting attached here at the first position. Okay, so this is the you can have to consider this is the first position, first, second, third, and fourth. So methyl group is going to attach here at the first position. Okay, and hydrogen is going hydrogen got attached over here. So we have reduced here carbon carbon double bond, but we cannot say this is reduction reaction because this carbonyl group is also getting involved in this addition reaction. So we cannot say this is reduction reaction, this is addition reaction, because all these enone system carbon carbon double bond and carbonyl group whole this enone system is getting involved in the reaction, and that's why this is 1,4 conjugate addition. And after delocalization of bond, this carbon carbon double bond carbon oxygen bond, after delocalization of this all this system, we are getting such type of product. So here you can see in presence of copper first as salt, we got this 1,4 conjugate addition product as 83% is predominantly we got here 1,4 addition product. That's why we can say the in presence of copper chloride as a salt, we can change the scene of total scene of this reaction from 1 to direct addition to we can achieve the conjugate selectively, we can achieve the conjugate 1,4 addition reaction in presence of copper as a salt. Okay, so this is the beauty of this reaction, beauty of this use of transition metals in different reactions, in different organometallic. You can say this is organometallic reaction because here we have used magnesium. Okay, magnesium containing our Grignard reagent as well as copper salt. Okay, so we can say that one is organometallic reaction. So organocopper reagent undergoes the conjugate addition. The coppers, how that one is helping now, copper, how copper is helping to behave or to select the path, select the conjugate addition path. Okay, so here copper works by the transmetallation. Okay, so transmetallation means your starting material, your nucleophile, or you can say that one is changing from we have used copper as a metal and magnesium. Okay, so he has been shifted from magnesium, methyl group is shifted from magnesium to here copper. Okay, so this step is nothing but the transmetallation step. Okay, so methyl, the bond in between methyl and magnesium is breaking, and a new bond in between methyl and copper is forming. Okay, so this is the role of copper. And when methyl is getting associated with copper, then only it can add to this carbon double bond. From methyl magnesium, from magnesium to magnesium, where methyl is attached to magnesium, from there we cannot add methyl here, because here methyl possess total negative charge on methyl group, so it becomes more basic than nucleophilic. Okay, so I think when that one is getting attached to the copper, the methyl group is becoming more nucleophilic than basic. That's why it can attack at the first position of the carbon carbon double bond. So only with the help of copper we can add methyl group at the first position of the carbon carbon double bond. So this is the benefit of the addition of the copper as a salt. So without, in absence of copper salt, we cannot achieve this conjugate addition product. Okay, so only in presence of copper we can change the total scene of this reaction. We can neutralize the we can make that methyl group to attack at the for carbon carbon double bond. Okay, so in presence of copper only. So organocoppers are softer than Grignard reagents. Reason, organocoppers are softer than Grignard reagents and adds in the conjugate fashion to the softer carbon carbon double bond. So what they have made, so methyl group, so magnesium is harder as per the references, and copper is softer. So that's why we have to do transmetallation step. We have to shift methyl from magnesium to magnesium copper, and then we can add this methyl to the carbon carbon double bond. Okay, only catalytic amount is required, and you can see over here I have written all how the orientation of the reaction, conjugate addition of organocopper, these things. And see why I told that this is not reduction reaction, this is conjugate addition reaction, because once methyl is group shifted on the carbon carbon double bond, this carbon carbon shifting in between this carbonyl carbon and carbon. So here you can see oxygen carbonyl group is also involved in this addition reaction. So oxygen is possessing negative charge, O minus mgbr plus, and in this way after treatment with water, this reaction is reversed, and lone pair on the oxygen atom shifted again in between carbonyl group, and this lone pair it abstracts these carbon atoms. So one carbon carbon double bond has broken, and two new sigma bond, carbon methyl sigma bond and carbon hydrogen sigma bond, they have been formed in your 1,4 conjugate addition product. So this is nothing but the how Grignard reagent acts by 1,2 addition or 1,4 conjugate addition reaction. Very simple, and if you know the basic things, so you can identify whatever reactions they will ask you in final examination, you can solve on the basis of these things. So again, summarization of this thing: methyl magnesium bromide in presence of alcohol and organocuprates, that in that one, see here organocuprates means here copper is also present and methyl group is also present. So already copper is present, that's why in presence of organocuprates we can go for direct 1,4 conjugate addition reaction. And in here in methyl magnesium bromide, if we will add small amount of copper, then only we can go for the conjugate addition. We can get the same product what we can get it by direct use of the dimethyl copper lithium. Okay, so this is the difference. So how the methyl Grignard reagent is different from the cuprate reagent, I have been explained here. We have seen that already in our last lecture. So this is the hard spaces, Grignard reagent hard spaces, and cuprates, methyl cuprates, they are soft spaces. Okay, so that's why they have added to the carbon-carbon double bond, and as grignard is hard species, that one is getting added to the hard carbonyl group. Okay, hard nucleophiles react faster with hard electrophile. Soft nucleophiles react at the alkene. Okay, so this is the basic things of the Grignard reaction. Okay, so hope that one will be it will be helpful for you.